child sexual abuse laws vary from state to state, and each state has its own statute of limitations on how long a suspect may be prosecuted for alleged child sexual abuse. In many cases, they have called on state legislators to abolish the statute of limitations completely, which would open the door to the prosecution of priests accused of sex crimes against children. In addition, several states have abolished the statute of limitations for cases of child sexual abuse in civil cases. For example, there is a 20-year statute of limitations for child sexual abuse offenses. Aggravated abduction if there is intent to sexually abuse a child, and theft if there is intent to sexually abuse a child. In such cases, the offense of sexual abuse of children and related offenses shall be treated as murder, which is not normally subject to a time limit for initiating criminal proceedings. In the state of Kansas, for example, legislators have abolished the prescription of all sexual offenses, including sexual violence against children. In some states, there is no statute of limitations for child sexual abuse. Under Texas law, there is no statute of limitations for the crime of child sexual abuse. In Pennsylvania, the adoption of new laws in 2019 means that victims of ongoing cases of sexual abuse can continue to be sexually abused until the age of 55, which, of course, annoys survivors of clergy sexual abuse who feel the Catholic Church has little to answer for in such cases. If the child was less than 17 years old at the time of the crime, the prescription was 20 years after his 18th birthday. In most cases, the priests had not been prosecuted because the statute of limitations had long since expired. The state has abolished the statute of limitations for future cases of sexual offenses. According to the media, these changes are a direct response to cases of sexual abuse against the Catholic Church in the state. As a result, many states have insisted on abolishing the statute of limitations for sex crimes against children. However, many advocates urge states to change child sexual abuse laws.